Hi, this is Bob Maidson of the Phoenix ATV UTV Club. I thought I'd put together a short little instructional video on how to use our maps feature on our website or on one of our ride descriptions. So for this example, I'm just going to go to our projects page, and I'm going to go down to a typical map. Let me go down. I keep linking up there. So here's one that's called Trash Talk, where we're talking about the annual Four Peaks cleanup. So there's a map associated with this as well as staging area instructions. So to use a map feature on a ride or on our website, you just click on it. I would just say view the larger map. It's an embedded map with the GPS coordinates, and I'm going to show this in satellite view. And so now I'm going to drill down to the staging area. This one is at the Four Peaks staging area out in the Rolls OHV area. So you can drill down as far as you want. That's about good. So there's the staging area, and you can see all the cars in there that are staging for the cleanup. There's the Beeline Highway and then the Klein Road that goes down to the staging area. It's about 3/4 of a mile off the Beeline Highway. One of the nice features about this is, say, how do I get there from my house? Well, you can hit the directions button over here. And if you have your house loaded or you put your address up here on the first line, it will give you turn-by-turn instructions how to get there. So from my house, it's roughly 35 miles away and about a 45-minute drive on the most direct route. And you can drill down into this and see the whole way from my house. So it's a nice little feature that we're going to have on our website as well as on our ride descriptions. We're going to throw an embedded Google's map in there with the staging area so that you can quickly find directions from your home to the staging area. Okay, this is Bob Maidson of the Phoenix ATV UTV Club. Happy trails to you.